The next combination from there would be, I believe it's a shimmy. So we're going to go shimmy to the side, shimmy to the side. If you don't know the layering with an Egyptian shimmy, watch some other videos that I have to teach you how to do the layering with an Egyptian shimmy. So this is simply an Egyptian shimmy, feet flat. Shimmy comes from your knees, simple, and then slide the hips side to side. So we go in 2 counts on each side, start with the left, and then make it look like you're pushing your hip to the side with your hands. Switch other side. So going left, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Take a step to the side, just a little step. Twist the left and tuck. So 6 count shimmies. Step at 7, tuck at 8. So it'll be like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now all the weight, as you can tell, is on this side. And pretty much I'm just holding my weight here with my toes. I'll do that one more time. Then we're going to try to do exactly the same thing going on the other side. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and twist and tuck. I'm going to bring this foot in here, slide it, feet together, and then start this time with the right. So it'll be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Step on the right, twist the right and tuck. I'll do that one more time on the other side. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and tuck. So I'll do both sides really fast for you to see. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and twist and tuck. Right and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and twist and tuck. So that's that combination right there. And then after that, we're going to bring our feet together, up on the toes. These combinations might not be in this order because we're just learning all the combos that we're going to need. So up on the toes, bend the knees, and then try to create little circles with your hips, like little hula circles, but without dropping your heels. It's a little tricky, it's a little hard on the quads. It takes some practice, so let's start with it. So simple little circles. And the reason we're doing our toes is because it makes walking around a little easier, and that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be walking around with it. So the way we're going to do it is we're going to walk each side for 2 counts. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and then you're going to hold it here, 2 hip kicks, 7 and 8. Okay, so we're going to start with the front, 2 counts on the front, 2 counts on the side, 2 counts on the back, and then 2 hip kicks. And then come in again on the other side exactly the same way. So we started here, 2 counts, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, stay on the toes, 7 and 8. And then we're going to start here this time. So it's going to be 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So I'll do that one more time. Again, up on the toes, bend the knees. You gotta have to bend the knees on this one. 2 in the front, 2 on the side, 2 on the back, and 2 hip kicks. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and hip, hip, side, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, hip, hip. Now right here, relax, drop flat. And then exactly the same beat, but we're going to change the combination this time. So we're going to go with the side V, chest V. If you don't know the chest V, you're going to watch the video for that. But simply imagine a V to the sides and then drop with your chest. So chest all the way to the side, drop in the middle, chest all the way to the side, drop in the middle. So it'll be like this, side, side. But a little faster because it'll be like this, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So a drop in the middle is 1 count. So we're going to go 1 and 2, tuck for 3 and 4. You're going to pop the hip. I'll do this from the side. So it's lift the chest, stretch the belly, and then just lean back just a tiny bit, and then stretch the abs until you feel like you can't go any further, and then bend the knees, and since your hip is forward, quickly pop it back. So it'll be like this, side and side, tuck, and pop in the back. And then we're going to do the same, and then we're going to do the same thing here on the bottom. So hip, tuck, and drop. So it'll be side for 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. One more time. Side for 2, 3 and pop, hip, tuck, and drop. What you're going to be doing with your arms, the simplest way to go is just keep them here to the side. So side, side, tuck, drop, hip, tuck, drop. You could also hold the hips. Every time you're moving the chest, because it makes the movement to the chest show even more when you get the arms out of the way. So it'll be like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So the side V in the beginning, you can drop the arms right here like you're holding your belt.